If you are watching this video, it is because you want to know more about the Dentitox Pro. So, pay close attention to what I'm telling you about my experience and review this Dentitox Pro. My name is Sandra, and for a long time I suffered with tooth decay, tooth sensitivity, tooth pain, and had a visible hole in my tooth. I was afraid to even eat my favorite dish, which is baked meat. So I gave research on how to solve my problem, and it was in many doctors and dentists and various experts on the subject. I even asked researchers at my university in Massachusetts. I was really stressed and frustration because of my painful dental problems. I have two very important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Dentitox Pro is: be careful with the website you will buy the product, because the Dentitox Pro is only sold on the official website. And to help you, I left the link of the official website here below in the description of this video for you to access safely. Now I'll explain what Dentitox Pro is and how it worked for me. The Dentitox Pro solution is a new invention made to improve oral health and prevent decay. It does this by ensuring the teeth are clean, preventing them from getting cavities or becoming discolored. Read on for more information about the product's effects in depth. The review clarifies how ineffective brushing alone can be without using the supplement. It removes bacteria that help remove stains left behind after eating certain foods like red wine. This product is made here, in the USA, in our FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, under sterile, strict and precise standards. Dentitox Pro is non-GMO and safe. You can rest assured that it does not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and more importantly, they are not habit-forming. Dentitox Pro has minerals including magnesium and calcium that promote general oral health by addressing tooth decay, gum disease, mouth ulcers. It also helps remove toxins from the body's organs, which are harmful to the heart or kidneys if they stay in there too long untreated. It is designed to be taken every day with meals to maintain strong teeth while strengthening gums at all times through boosting immune function. The high-level CBD reduces inflammation throughout the esophagus, so there is always relief during any mealtime discomfort without missing out on vital nutrients found only within foods. A common question that everyone had since Dentitox Pro was launched into the market was: does it work? The customer reviews and before and after stories of Dentitox Pro suggest that Dentitox Pro really works and it really promotes oral hygiene. Well, the only way a supplement could stay as popular as it has been when it was launched is if it really did work, so it is apparent that Dentitox Pro really works. So yes, you can trust this product. Even, there are many people having great results with Dentitox Pro, and you can have results too. Something very important is that Dentitox Pro has a warranty, and you can actually test the product, and if for some reason you don't like it, they return your money. Also, for Dentitox Pro to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, or else you won't see great results and you'll really get a little frustrated. And the correct way to use Dentitox Pro: you will take every day and without interruptions, as this will be essential to your results. It is also important to know that Dentitox Pro is totally natural. It improved overall my oral health, my gums health, and helped in rebuilding them. It improved the quality of my teeth, strengthens them, and it reduced inflammation of my gums. You can now support the health of your teeth with 100% natural ingredients, no matter if you are 30, 50, or 80 years old. Plus, with every order made today, you also get free shipping. Well guys, and don't forget to check out their original website using the link in the description. I can't wait to hear your opinion after trying Dentitox Pro. Thanks, and have a great day.